Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to the hack Subway Surfer. First you need to go to screen and then you go here and screen. Oh my god, so Subway Surfer, you're gonna say Subway Surfer mod APK. Then it's gonna be which one? It's not this one because it's not that. This was just it's the come on. Then you press download. Then you're gonna see up is gonna download, and I will meet you if it's done. Hey guys, I'm back and it's done. And you need to go to downloads. And you're gonna go there, I'm gonna see Subway Surfer mod 1660 Adren APK. Then you're gonna install it, but if it's done I will call you guys. Hey guys, I'm back and it's just installed and I'm in Subway Surfer. And you're gonna see you don't have money skis, you're gonna buy them. And you can buy them free guys. Look, you just already play this. Go to me. Look, I have already this because you're not gonna have it. You guys just buy. Just pick this and only this. The another one you can take it. And look, I wanna show you in what I'm a first place guy. Then another one to use my friend because I play for him and I play too and myself. If you like this video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm in YouTube. Follow me on YouTube or Facebook. Tell me what you want in the comments to make a video. Bye.